Hello everyone! Let's talk about social media. Why do we enjoy using platforms like Facebook or TikTok so much?
We see many people spending hours every day scrolling on their phones.
Today, we will look at the psychology behind this habit.
Also focus on a specific grammar point, gerunds. This is when a verb is used as a noun, like scrolling or using.
Listen carefully for these forms throughout our discussion.
The first main reason is simple. It makes us feel good. Every time you get a new like or a comment, your brain gives you a little reward.
This reward makes checking the app feel exciting.
Because of this feeling, the apps are designed to make you want to keep opening them.
Getting those notifications is fun, and this repetitive action makes spending time on the app a strong habit.
The second reason is called FOMO, which stands for the fear of missing out. This means you are afraid of not knowing what your friends are doing.
You worry about missing important news or fun events.
When you see friends traveling or enjoying a party, you feel a strong urge to be involved.
This feeling causes us to keep scrolling and keep looking at what others are doing.
We are often comparing ourselves to the people we see online.
In conclusion, people love social media because of the fun feeling and the fear of missing out.
We've been practicing today by using gerunds to describe these actions.
Remember that gerunds, like traveling and comparing, are key to describing habits and actions clearly.
Now, it's your turn. What is one thing you like about using social media?
Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more English lessons.